Dog hearing is 4 more times more sensitive than human hearing. Dogs especially have a much higher frequency range than people do. So noise anxiety begins in dogs oftentimes as one event. One thunderclap, one fireworks firecracker going off, one construction truck going down the street, one jet airplane noise, and then it carries on. And a lot of dogs, it seems to get worse over time when the noise is introduced again. It just reinforces the behavior. Noise anxiety in dogs is exhibited by panting, hiding under the bed or behind the couch, shaking, going through plate glass windows and over fences and chewing through sheetrock and walls. Most owners are very upset when they see their pet anxious, so any noise anxiety is disturbing to the whole household.